In this video, I am going to show you how you can install WordPress locally on your PC or laptop using Xampp. Go to apachefriends.org and the website user interface will look like this. If you are installing Xampp for Windows, you need to click on Xampp for Windows. If you are downloading it for Linux, you need to click on Linux. If you are selecting Mac OS, you need to select OS X. As I said, I am going to install Xampp for Windows. Click on Xampp for Windows. The software will be downloaded automatically. I have already downloaded the software, so I am going to click on cancel and go to the location where you have downloaded the Xampp. Here is the file. Right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. Don't change the path location. Click on next. Click on next. Now it is installing Xampp on your PC. Once installation is done, click on finish. Now it will open the Xampp control panel. Here is the Xampp control panel. Over here, you need to start Apache server and MySQL. Now both Apache and MySQL servers are started. Once Xampp is installed, a new folder will be created in local disk C. Open My Explorer, open local disk C, and under that you will have Xampp folder. Open the Xampp folder. Under Xampp folder, you will have htdocs folder. If you wish to create any website based on WordPress or any other CMS, you need to create a folder for that particular website and give it a name. Now let's try to download WordPress zip file. Go to wordpress.org and from the menu click on download and extend. The current version of WordPress at the time of recording this video is 6.2.2. In the near future, this number will change. Click on download WordPress. A zip file will be downloaded. Here is a zip file. Let's extract it. I am extracting the zip file. I will place this extracted folder in htdocs. Once the extraction is done, here is the folder. I am going to copy the inside folder. Here you can see that I am copying the folder and I will place it under htdocs. Open the C drive. Open Xampp. Open htdocs. I am going to paste the WordPress folder over here. Here are the inside contents of the WordPress folder. And I would like to rename the folder and keep it as my project name. For demonstration purpose, I have kept Naiwik. Now to access the localhost, what you need to do is in the browser, type localhost /. If you have installed Xampp correctly, it will show you like this. To access the database, what you need to do is from the menu, you have this option phpMyAdmin. Click on phpMyAdmin. It will open the databases. On the left side, you will see the database name. If you would like to create a new database, simply click on databases and give the database name. You can give any name. Click on create. The database has been created. If you would like to add a new user, you can do that. Click on privileges. Already we have users. If you would like to make some changes, click on edit privileges and click on change password. Here you can see that I would like to choose no password for the user root. Click on go. And after creating the database and the user, let's type localhost / the folder name. I have kept the folder name as Naiwik, so I have typed Naiwik. If you have given any name for that WordPress folder, you need to type that name. Now it will show you the WordPress setup. Select the language, click on continue and click on let's go. We need to give the database information. I have created a new database called Naiwik and the username is root. I have set no password and always set the database host as localhost. If you want, you can change the table prefix, but I would like to keep it as default and click on submit. If you have entered the database name, username, password correctly, you will get this message. Alright Sparky. Click on run the installation. Give the site title name. I am entering Naiwik test site. Give the username and set the password. I am entering weak password, so it is showing very weak. If you are using weak password, you need to select this option, confirm use of weak password, and after that you need to give the email ID. In case if you forgot your password, you can recover that using the email ID, and after that simply click on install WordPress. Here you can see the message WordPress has been installed successfully. Click on login. Now it will redirect to the WordPress backend, that is administrator. Enter the username and password which you have set. I have set the username and password as test for demonstration purpose. Always set a strong password for your WordPress. Click on login. Once you are logged in, the backend of WordPress website looks like this. If you would like to access the front end, you can mouse over on the website name and click on visit site. Here you can see that localhost / your folder name. This is how the WordPress website looks by default. So that's it guys. In this way you can install WordPress on a PC or laptop using Xampp. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.